Alright, I'm going to show you guys and girls how to pack a wheel bearing. If you don't have a bearing packer, a little bit of a tedious process, but it's not too bad. So get your wheel bearing grease, get some rubber gloves on, a nice little dab in the palm of your hand. So I just found a used wheel bearing that we're going to pack. So you're going to want to get grease to go in through here and out through the top. And you're pretty much just going to keep doing this motion, picking up a little bit of grease every time. You'll see it work its way eventually through to the top. And here it comes. And you start rotating, and you just keep going. When you see it come out of the top, rotate, keep going. So this grease is going to get kind of all over the place. Just wipe off the excess back in the palm of your hand. Move everything back in the palm where you want it. Find out where you left off. Keep going. So for those of you that are putting your Bronco kit together from us here at Solo Motorsports, if you're getting new bearings or want to repack your bearings, this is an easy way to do it. You have one of our Toyota XLT kits or our new spindles that use the Dana 44 snout. Your bearings are going to come brand new, unpacked. So again, this is an easy way to do it. A little time consuming, but not hard. Find out where you left off. Keep going. So when people say pack your bearings, it doesn't literally mean shove a bunch of grease in there and in your hub and around your spindle. We've taken so many vehicles apart here that have just way too much grease in there. It's unnecessary. Have some clean rags handy so when you're done packing you can set them down on something other than a dirty table. Otherwise you're going to get a bunch of dirt and debris mixed in with the grease, and that's not good. So here's the end of it. It's finally coming all the way through. I'm going to wipe off a bunch of this excess. I don't want to waste it. Throw it back in your tub. Make sure you do have grease in all these little cracks and crevices, both sides, front and back. And you're going to want to put a little bit of grease on the bearing race that this is going to set into. And erase some of this stuff. Alright, if you put your fingers on the inside, grab the outside, try to put a little bit of pressure so you can roll the two in opposite directions, just so that the bearings actually do roll. There we go. They're starting to rotate. That way the grease gets through all the roller bearings there. A little bit more on the outside. And you should be good to go. All right, there you have it. Pack bearing.